So stay here. So first, you're gonna collect your feet the way we already practiced. Tummy picked up, chest, tummy in, chest up, knees pressing back. Now from here, first, you're gonna start squeezing your shoulder blade, sending your hip back, and stretching your knees. So creating this triangle. And you will see there is also a very strong rib cage forward together with the knee. So rib cage forward, knee forward, your right knee forward, left knee back as you're doing this. And so this is before you step. That's what happens. Count and. Let me show you. Yeah, a little bit open this way, right? And so you create triangle. What is triangle? Is this distance between one knee and another increasing as you squeeze. Very good. And this hip bone is like somebody pulling it back. And do it for 8 counts. And 1, 2, 3, excellent. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have that squeezing on count end. So count end is number 1. And the next one, you're gonna do a step. How you gonna do it? Toe, then ball of the foot, slide, 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 gradual heel landing. Toe, ball, heel. So we have and step. Step means your knee pulling your foot forward with the upper body, then the ball of the foot slides, heel lands. Step. And the last stage, which is the most important, is to finish that back leg as your pendulum moves forward and your spine moving forward. Finish. And number 4, you're gonna do collect. So you're gonna turn your shoulders, turn your hip, and feet together. And we repeat. And step, finish, collect. So try here. Try this system. 4-stage system. And then you're going step, finish, and now collect. Turn your shoulders, hip. Very good. And again. And step, finish, collect. And wait, darling. Go. And push this back. Right. And yes. And step, finish, collect. To make it even more amazing, we add one extra point. It's called knee touch. So it looks like this. Let me demonstrate. So you're gonna go and then you have a step, then you have a finish. Now we have knee touch. As you start this knee touching, then you collect. So try that. Other leg. And step, finish, knee touch, then come back, knee touch, knee kissing, right, knee touch, and then you collect. So you have that brushing. Yeah, now collect. Now turn to other side. Excellent. So you're going and step, finish, knee touch, right, collect. Excellent. And step, finish, knee touch, collect. Excellent. And step, finish, knee touch, collect. Excellent. Try with me. That was very good. Very, very good. So going and with the right leg and step, finish, knee touch, collect. And push this back. And step, finish, knee touch, collect. And step, finish, knee touch, collect. And step, finish, knee touch, collect. Excellent. That's a good to start.